Today we are going to discuss on the how to install the packages, because installation of the packages is one of the important part in a Linux, because the Linux is coming with the short utility or the small tools, short tool or a small tool or the some pre-installed utilities, but in some cases you need to install a extra packages. So extra packages, here you can check the extra packages. So what is the extra packages? Packages is equal to software. In general term we are using software. So installation of the software and uninstallation of the software, both are the important. Okay, we need to do both thing. First is installation of the package and uninstallation of the package, right? So there is a multiple utility in a Linux to install the packages. So right now we are discussing over the Kali Linux. Later on we will discuss on the RHEL. So yes, of course there is a different command for the installation of the packages on the Debian-based operating system. For the example is a Ubuntu, Debian itself, and another is Kali Linux. Okay, these are the Debian-based operating system. So installation of the packages on the Debian-based operating system having the different commands. Okay, and another is Red Hat based operating system or the RPM based operating system, including the RHEL, any version, including the CentOS and including the Fedora. These are the operating system which having the different commands for the installation of the packages, right? So how you can install the package? So first, already you know what is the package. Package is just a executable software which can be installed on any system. For the basic example is OpenOffice. OpenOffice is one example. Another is multiple examples are there. Okay. So in Kali Linux, the package having the one more important thing, and this is called dependency. It is called dependency. As you know guys, Linux is a open source. So when the Linux is open source, nobody is going to be provide the full solution, all the source code, no. Only the kernel is available. You need to be download and then you are going to be make any type of the changes. Then you can develop your own operating system. What the RHEL, Ubuntu and other operating system are doing. One package always or maybe or may not dependent on the different package. For the example, I am installing a wireless adapter or I am installing some wireless hacking tool like the AirCrackNG. So this tool is required some extra softwares. Extra software required. For the example, it required the Wireshark or it required the monitoring mode, air mode or anything. So for the example is this, whatever you are going to be install the one software, this software is dependent on the another software. Right? This is dependent on the another software. So if you are installing this software, it will say or you will get some error, dependency is missing. Means this software is dependent on the other software or the other library or the other specific code or a specific function. So when the dependency is missing, you need to install the dependency first. But in a Windows, you will just download the .exe file, you will execute the .exe file and the program will be installed. You don't need to install any specific or other dependency, but it will work fine. But In this case, if you are not fulfilling the dependency or not going to be satisfied a dependency, then your program will not work. If you want your program will work properly, then you will have to install dependency first. Okay, this is the big problem. So if you are going to be install a package, any software on the Linux, so what you will do? You will do to download the first package. First you need to be download package. Okay, for the example, I am going to use the leaf pad. No. So what I am doing here, first I am going to change the network connection because I think I am not able to communicate with the google.com. Yes. So first I need to be change my network settings and put it over the Kali Linux first. Network settings. Now I am going to putting over the NAT and OK. So NAT is a type of the adapter in a VirtualBox which allow you to connect your external network. Okay. So now again I am going to try the ping with the google.com and maybe I will get some result. It's okay. So if I want to install the leaf pad, so what we are doing in a general life, we are going to open this Firefox.